Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Palak, I'm an interior designer. So today we are going to share with you guys a project which is really unique and also very special in terms of the requirement. When the client approached us for the designing of one bedroom makeover, the requirement was quite different from the usual requirements we get. So here the client wanted to give this bedroom makeover to their son who was going to be 10 soon. So in this scenario, we did not get chance to meet the boy who was going to use and stay in that room. So we made sure that we get all the details from the parents of the kids liking, the dislikings, what is the lifestyle, how he is going to use the room and all. So once that requirement was done, we started the procedure of the designing and all. Then we came with the 3D designing. After presenting the 3D designs to the parents, they were like really happy with the concepts and the theme, color combination, everything. But they were little apprehensive that Palak, the design looks too good. But really, will you be able to implement the same in terms of the concept, colors, and models on the site? We give them an assurance that this is our work and we exactly do as we propose in the 3D designing. So rest you can literally hear it from the client, their experience.
Uh, Hi, we were looking for our kids' room renovation and we were searching some interiors online. So we found Palak's interior site on Insta. We went through her all the videos and all her previous work, which we liked very well. So we contacted her and gave our requirement, like what we were looking for the room, what were my son's likes and taste is like that, and we provided our input. She was very kind and she suggested a lot of many things, and together we somewhere agreed on some points, and then she prepared a 3D design and shared with us, which was very nice. Because we were like it was very outstanding. Based on that, we decided to go forward and start this room's interior. And her team and Palak had did a very nice job. We liked it, and overall experience working with her was very nice. She was very open, easily available on WhatsApp to discuss all the issues, and she came frequently to visit the site and check all the work and everything. So it was really nice experience, and the end result was fabulous. We liked it. Thank you.
So let me show you how was the room. I'll like to show you the absolute stunning ceiling design. So we have gone for the football ground theme in the ceiling and it has come out so nice. So जब हमने ये 3D में, I would like you to see it now. So now coming towards the bed and bed back wall. So here we have given a superhero theme to the bed. So over there, as you can see, we have displayed a Captain America shield with a LED light behind, so it can also work as a night lamp. And this is a bed. So here we have done a full cushioning. So now coming towards the bed storage. So here we have gone for the trolley bed storage. So there are two conceal handles and the color combination is white because पीछे हमने रॉयल ब्लू लिया हुआ था. So we wanted to complement it with the white color and we have just given a stripe of the blue over there, and this is the storage. So when I visited the site for the first time, the main challenge on the site was the construction of the room had the very severe seepage issue. As I'll show you in the next slide. जहाँ पे भी दीवार है, द बॉटम पार्ट ऑफ द बेडरूम, वहां पे बहुत ही सीवियर सीपेज का इश्यू था. सो वी डिस्कस इट विद द क्लाइंट एंड वी मेड श्योर कि इतना एक्सपेंस, इतनी डिजाइनिंग और इतना ब्यूटीफुल रूम बनाने के बाद वी शुड मेक श्योर कि ये चीज उनको फ्यूचर में प्रॉब्लम नहीं क्रिएट करे एंड इट शुड नॉट स्पॉइल द एंटायर रूम. So generally when you have this kind of seepage issue, what we do is we take a cement sheet or tiles or something like the similar material और हम उसको implement कर देते हैं wall के ऊपर. But I would like to give one tip over here. Whenever you apply cement sheet on the seepage wall, try and make a frame first. सो जो भी सीमेंट शीट आप लगा रहे हो वो डायरेक्टली वॉल पे नहीं लग रहा है, बट देयर इज अ स्पेस इन बिटवीन. तो लाइफ टाइम देयर इज नो चांस कि सीपेज कैन ट्रांसफर ऑन द आउटर साइड. सो एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे हमने ये किया है कि नीचे का जो पोर्शन है वहां पे हमने वाटरप्रूफिंग का ट्रीटमेंट किया है लाइक दिस, एंड उसको हमें हाईलाइट नहीं करना था. सो हमने ये किया है कि हमने वो पूरा कंसेप्ट में ले लिया. वी मेड अ रेसिंग ट्रैक फ्रॉम स्टार्ट एंड देन वी मेड अ फिनिश लाइन and then we made a stage for the car to get displayed over there. So now coming towards the wardrobe, this is the wardrobe. So we have divided the wardrobe in 3 parts. So now coming towards the puja unit, यहाँ पे client का exit time we wanted very classy puja unit. So यहाँ पे we have gone for a shimmer वाला gloss. So this is the tray for the puja plate or prasad. So as you can see over here, this is a roller blind. So यहाँ पे भी हमने वही same concept सुपर हीरो का continue किया हुआ है. Now coming towards this side, this is a storage. This can be a toy and study storage. So half portions are open for the display or the easy use for the kid, and 5 portions are open and the 5 portions are closed. So again, this is the logo of the superhero, and this is a push magnet. So this can open like this and shut like this. So there is no obstacle of the handles because the space is limited. So here also we have provided a storage. So this is a hydraulic uplifted storage. So there are 2 closed storage and some open storage over here. Now this is a study table. Again, the curtain has the theme of the superhero. So one more thing I would like to highlight is कि ये रूम में हमने जो भी थीम लिया हुआ है, बी इट सुपर हीरो और रेसिंग ट्रैक और एनीथिंग, तो वो हमने वैसी चीजों में इनकॉर्पोरेट किया है जो अगर आज नहीं और 5 साल बाद इफ द किड्स चॉइस गेट्स डिफरेंट और उनको कुछ और थीम इनकॉर्पोरेट करना है, सो दे डोंट नीड टू ब्रेक द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द बेड और ऑफ द स्टोरेज. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन ओवर हियर इज कि जो भी थीम कंसेप्ट है वो हमने जैसे कि कर्टेन में लिया है. सो दिस कर्टेन्स आर वेरी इजी टू चेंज और वो नेक्स्ट थीम के हिसाब से यू कैन एडजस्ट. सेकेंडली, एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस स्टोरेज शटर्स. सो ये जो शटर है उसमें भी इफ दे वांट टू चेंज द थीम तो स्ट्रक्चर को उनको टच करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. जस्ट शटर पे हमने जो अप्लाई किया है, they can easily remove it. It is pocket friendly also, and they can get the new theme over here. So this is a fixed structure. तो इसमें we have gone for a neutral color combination. So अगर by any chance 4-5 साल बाद they are changing the theme, so these are the colors कि वो कोई भी theme के साथ merge हो सकते हैं. This white and blue color. Again, here also they can easily change it. For the bed, we have gone for a very neutral tone and the neutral design. Keeping that in mind कि वो theme change करते हैं, तो they don't have to spend or they don't have to do a rework on this. So I would like to give Arju and Handle a big thumbs up for adding this beauty to the entire room. It is looking fabulous over here.